Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing for you a peri-peri pork. I'm going to be doing this outside on the barbecue, so I hope you're going to enjoy this one. I'm also going to be putting some other things on the barbecue, but you'll see as the video goes along. So I hope you will watch and I hope this one you're going to like it. If you do, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, you can leave comments in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So I'm going to show you the few ingredients what I'm going to be using for today. Right everyone, so in my bowl I've got some pork, which are just like big thick chunks, because that's what you need for this one. And I've got some onion salt, some garlic salt, some black pepper, some flavouring answer, some salt, and then a peri-peri rub mix. So I'm just going to shake all these together. I'm going to sprinkle this on my pork. I'm just going to mix that in now. I usually use my hands for this, but because I'm doing other things at the moment, I'm just going to use a spoon. So that's more or less our pork's ready to go on the barbecue. Because saying it's just a dry rub what I'm using. So I'm going to put this to one side, then I'm going to go outside and show you the barbecue. I'm going to just light up the barbecue. Right, so I'm outside now. I've got my bag of charcoal. I'm also going to be using some wood as well. So I'm just going to see if I can get this light. Right, so managed to get it light first time. And I've got a bag of some dried wood here, so I'm going to see if I can get these to light as well. If you're wondering what this bit down the bottom, that's just the tops of when I had my onions. I left them in there, so that'll just burn down in a minute. Getting this wood on there. Hopefully this will stay alight. So I'll do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got our barbecue going. Got a nice flame underneath it. Spread that out a bit so where we want it. And meanwhile that's flaming up, I've got some sweet potatoes here which we've left in the skin, so I'm just going to put those on. So these are just stay on there and roast. So everybody's thinking, oh, they're going to get black and burn. That's exactly how you want them. So I'm just looking at my barbecue tray and I think I'm going to need another one. I don't know if they still sell these barbecue trays because my one's starting to buckle a bit. I think it's just from the heat. Well, we've had it quite a while now, so I'm going to leave that. just let those roast off. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got our sweet potatoes on. You can see they're coming along nicely. Just going to give them a quick turn. That's how you want them. You want them charcoal. Like if you was in like Jamaica now, they just put this on like that. Put this inside the open fire, which is what you can do. So just leave those to go on for a while, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got our sweet potatoes to where we want them. You can see they're nicely and soft, so I'm just going to put these in the oven to keep warm. So that's a way of you doing sweet potatoes. I'm going to put our pork on there now. So we've got our pork pieces. We just season these up with our peri-peri seasoning. We don't want nothing too heavy on them, and we're going to put them on the barbecue. Put this on the lowest heat, so we're just going to leave those on there. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we got our peri-peri pork coming along nicely. As you can see, it's browning up nice. That's how you want it. You can see if I turn it over, although you can see flames, it's not burnt. You don't want your barbecue meat burning up, which is what a lot of people seem to think barbecue is when it's burnt. But it's just nice and even. I've got some corn. I'm going to put them on as well. I'm going to just put because I know so we've got our corn going on as well. So I'll be back with you in a minute. So I've got some butter here with just a little bit of black pepper and salt, so just going to spread that on my corn. So that will keep it nice and get a nice even bake on them. So when I turn these over now, I'm going to be doing the same thing again. So you can see we've still got a nice flame under our barbecue. So it'll just come along nicely soon. I'm just going to give these another turn. You can see that's looking really nice. We've got no burn on it. A little bit of char in there. It doesn't matter too much. I'm going to just move my corns over. Then I've got some little bit of the marinade left in here. Just going to dust that on. this is almost ready soon, so we're going to just brush that on one side and then let it do for a bit and then turn it, flip it over and do the same on the other side in a minute. So we're just going to, not a lot of this, so to know what you're doing. Sorry if you can hear the music in the background, it's one of my neighbours, there's nothing I can do about that. So I hope YouTube doesn't come and flag me for that, what they usually do. Corn coming on, so I'm just going to cover this with a bit of foil just to keep the heat on and get those going. Right, so we've lowered our barbecue tray. I'm going to just flip these ones over so I can get that marinade nice. Almost a little bit of it left in there, not a lot, so I'll just give it a little dab with this. So we're nearly ready to take these off. So we'll do the same with our corn. And just get your butter, just brush it on like so. Or you can get the brush, dip the brush in your butter and just brush that on like so. So that's what you want to be doing. So now just going to cover that up. And I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so we've got this coming along nicely now. And that's how we just want it a little char, which is marinade, what's charred on there. Just going to leave that on there for a few more minutes. Got our corn, which is still going to be a bit hard, but just lightly brush that again with some butter just to keep it moist. So your corn is going to be crunchy. If you wanted it soft, then you would wrap it up in foil and just put it on the put some butter in there and then put it on the coals themselves and take them off that way. So if you want them soft, I'm just doing it this way. Right, so I'm going to take these off now. These are ready. You can see they're nice and soft. Leave those there. Move our corn around, get our corn going a bit more. Just gonna get these brushed up again. So that is our corn coming along nicely. So we'll be back with you in a minute when we're ready to go back inside and plate up. Right, everybody, we've finished now, and this is what it looks like on a plate. So I hope you all enjoy that one. I'm going to enjoy this now for my lunch. I'm not going to eat all of it because I eat very little, but I'll give it a try. So thank you for watching, and see you all on the next one. And if you do a barbecue like this, send me some pictures or leave a comment in the comment section, and let me see how you get on with your one. So see you all on the next one, and thank you for watching.